So good morning everyone, this is Eric back with Auto Replay, and it's been a couple days. I went by one exhaust shop, but the South Adams exhaust shop that I would go to, I noticed looks like they're no longer in business. I don't know what happened there, but I stopped by Sirmons alignment, and he's the one that told me to get the 4 tires. So I got those. Obviously you watched the video before, and you know, still basically rebuilding this 2008 Dodge Nitro that I bought from an eBay auction, and you can see the playlist. I'll put it up there, and you know, basically just trying to maintain it. This is something that I bought that has 70,000 miles on it originally. Now we got about 93,000, and just I'm in the point of getting the suspension done, and I've done some work as you can see in some previous videos, but now I'm just at the point where I'm beat, man. I'm working a lot with my my job, my business, and I just need somebody to kind of take care of the last little thing. So I'm gonna go see if he's got time to put the control arms on and get it all aligned, since we got the 4 tires. And it has helped, you know, that we got, you know, good tires that it feels softer. It's not as bouncy. It still bounces a little bit in the morning. I think the shocks just need to adjust. And you know, I mean, I think once we get those control arms done, get it aligned one more time, then we should be good to go. But it is a lot better. There's a little shakiness, just a little minimum shakiness in the steering wheel still, but it's very minimum. I think if I go back and I tighten that bolt going to the steering column, we'll get it done. So let's see if he's got time today. If not, this is like Thursday. If not, I'll just drop it off Monday. I do have a busy day in a sense, but I figure I'll stop by and see if he's got 4 hours to work it in. It seems like a lot of work to me, but he's like, oh yeah, it sounds like you can do it in like an hour or 2. I don't know, you know, because they just do it all the time, I guess. You know, you probably zip, 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 take it all apart, knock it all loose, and you know, in and out, you know what I mean? But I do appreciate y'all hanging out, man. You know, people subscribing, you know. If it's something that you want to see, I mean, this channel, I will be doing some tint, doing the exhaust. I'll probably be replacing TIPM on this, and then you know, basically I may look at doing body work and some kind of paint or some kind of truck bed coating on the outside of it, and you know, just kind of maintain it. I gotta get the airbag light actually updated. I'm gonna have to go to the dealership for that. So you know, it's like little stuff like that, man. And you know, I would like to go get a flip car, but right now I'm just trying to put as much money into this and maintain it, so you know, it's just a good ride. But you know, it does help when you buy them in good condition. This was a rebuilt, vandalized car from Copart, and yeah, man. So let's see what they get done today. Ooh, I see if I get y'all in here, man. We got brand new control arms, all brand new ball joints, upper and lower. Y'all can see that. That looks amazing. He did a great job, man. And he got it all lined up, so everything's almost brand new underneath this thing. Wow. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go back to work. I'll come back, get this car a little bit later and drive it, but it should be all nice and tight. Got all new bushings, control arms, ball joints all on the front, steering rack's done, shocks all the way around, tires, TPMS sensors, man. That thing should ride pretty good, you know. And you know, let's go from there. So I'll show you a little later. Thanks for checking me out. So y'all see, man, it's like, I don't know, it's like 11 o'clock, man. I'm picking this car up. I'm gonna crank her up, test drive her, see how she's doing, let you go from there. So I don't know, y'all can see, but it's definitely feels tight in the front for me so far. Go over some bumps here in a minute. It feels good, man. It feels real good. Definitely feels tight in the front. I probably need to do a little bit of work on the back myself, but you know, she's driving straight. So let me get home, man, and call it night. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. I know it's pretty short. I mean, basically we took it to Sirmons alignment, let them do the upper and lower control arms. They even did the stabilizer links, man, for a good price, dude. I can't beat it. and they line everything up, and you know, I'll definitely take anything to them for any kind of suspension work, man. So the next video we're gonna be looking at doing is actually tinting these windows. I actually got the tint, I got the tools. I just got to get a spray bottle and a knife, a Zat knife. What do you call that? I don't know. We'll do it, man. So the next video will be back, you know, with me doing the actual work, and we're gonna try to tint these windows. It'll be my first time, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, see ya.